Morning, students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 2 from unit 9. Look at the text here and the pictures. We have Zach and Ona. Let us read together the text about telling us about Zach and Ona as morning routine. At 9:15 yesterday morning, Ona and Zach were in the city. Zach was at the flower market. Ona wasn't at the flower market. She was at the fruit market. Look at the text. Go back to the text and underline using the verb to be, was, and were in that text. Look at the second sentence. Ona and Zach were. We use were here. Zach was at the flower market. We use was here. Ona wasn't at the flower market. She was at the fruit market. What's the difference here between using was and were and wasn't and was? As I mentioned before in the grammar target, we use the simple past of is, was, and wasn't is the negative form of was. So, Ona wasn't at the flower market. Wasn't here is the negative form of was. And we use was or wasn't with the singular nouns he, she, it, and I. He, she, it, and I in the past time. But we use were as a simple past of are with the plurals they, we, and you. And the negative form of were is weren't. And were, as I mentioned before, comes with the past time. Look at the second text. At 11:15, they were on the bus. We use were with they, with the plural subject. Look, I was at the flower market. We use was with I, as singular subject. I wasn't at the flower market. I was at the fruit market. We use wasn't as negative form of was and was with the singular subject I. Look at the question here. Circle the correct alternatives. Yesterday as past time. We have many pronouns here as subjects and we have to choose and circle the correct alternative with the verb was. So we can use here with the verb was, as I mentioned, was with the singular, was comes with the singular, he, she, it, and I. So we have to circle I, he, she, and it as singular pronouns with was in the park. I was in the park. He was in the park. She was in the park. And it was in the park. We can't use you and we and they because they come with the verb were because they are plural subjects. At home, please, my students, circle true or false and answer it to me. Then we will answer it together in the next lesson. Thank you.